You need to combine data in Excel? Then don't do it like this. The data is not dynamic. Let me show you a much better solution. So we want to combine the sales data from these two sheets into the sales dashboard. Step 1 is to transform our data from the North sheet into an Excel table and give it a name. Let's just call it North. Next, we do just the same with the South sheet. So press again Ctrl+T to transform it into a table. And let's call this table South. All right. Now we can go back into our sales dashboard, and in here we are going to use the VSTACK function. So let's write VSTACK. And now we can just insert our tables names. So the first one is North and the second one is South. And now press Enter. And there you go. The great thing about this is that whenever a new record is being added to our data, then our sales dashboard will be updated automatically. So let's say we go back to our South sheet and we add an extra row down here. Now when I go back to my sales dashboard, you can see that it updated automatically and the new record is included right here. Oh, before I forget, make sure to share this post and follow us for daily Excel tips and tricks.